Literally took the boat out. This is the second time now. First drop about 5 seconds. Lockie shot a nice blue bone tusk fish. Took the new boat out the other day. I didn't do much filming, but I'll roll some clips from that. What actually happened just there happened exactly the same, but with a trout. So yeah, I'll roll the clips now, and Riley dives down for the first dive of the day. Woohoo! Literally in the water for about 5 seconds.
First dive, baby.
I think I said in my last catch and cook episode, I was saving for a new boat and whatnot, and yeah, finally got one. This is the area. Bit of a brief overview of the new rig. Gonna jump in the water, get some footage of that, and yeah, pretty happy with it so far.
Grab it. Grab it. Yeah, baby!
How's that? Every time first drop in about 5 seconds. Time to go get some fish. I got back to the boat with my grey mackerel, chucked it in the esky, and then all I hear is Lockie screaming. He was yelling out to me to come to him. Dropped the fish in the esky, scooted out the back of the boat, swam all the way over to him, got there.
Hey, my gosh.
Had to get a second shot. Shano's bringing her back to the boat now. Stealing my pride. Good fish.
Yes, nice Spanish mackerel. Took some photos and whatnot, chucked it in the esky, and I'm like, nah, stuff this, I have to go out and go get my own. So I'll swim around the front edge here.
You like a
boat's producing some pretty good products at the moment. What do we got? Nice spatter I just shot. Open the esky. Nice Spanish mackerel there. A grey mackie. Nice trout. Good sized trout. A little crayfish at the back there. And yeah, time to hop in, see what else we can find. Rocked up to a little spot we found. Found a little mangrove jack honey hole. Three jacks in the esky, 2 mackerel, 2 crays, big trouty. Had an awesome day in the water. Got a pretty nice combination of fish there. Just docked up on the beach here. Gonna go have a look around the island, chuck the drone up in the air. Yeah, see what's around. pretty much the end of the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you want me to do in the future. Yeah, give us a subscribe. Cheers for that, guys. Have a good one.